Hi! In this video, you will learn how to create this beautiful translucent spinning globe animation in PowerPoint. It is extremely easy to create and let me show you how to do it from scratch. I am Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We share creative PowerPoint ideas to help professionals like you create engaging presentations. Here I am on a new slide. The first step is to pick up the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle that covers this entire slide end to end. Then let us go to Auto Shapes Gallery, pick up the oval tool, hold the shift button down and draw a large circle like this and place this somewhere in the center. And just to be sure, let us go to Align, Align Center, Align Middle. Now we have this circle smack in the center and middle of this rectangle. Now let us create a duplicate of the circle by pressing Ctrl D and keep this to one side. Then let us select this rectangle first. Hold the shift button down and select this circle next. Then go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shapes and say Shape Subtract. What we have created is a circular hole in this rectangle. Then let us go to Shape Fill, give this a dark color, go to Shape Outline and say No Outline. Now let us get this circle back and place this right on top of the hole so it covers it fully. Go to Shape Fill and give this blue color. Go to Shape Outline and say No Outline. Then right click on the circle, go to Format Shape, go to Effects option, go to 3D Format and for the top bevel apply round. For the bottom bevel apply round. Then we need to change this width and height according to the dimensions of the circle. So let us see the diameter of the circle by going to Shape Format. You can see it is 6.69 inches. Now the change you need to make here is for every inch you need to include 36 points of width and height. So when I go to the calculator, I can see that I need to have 36 points into 6.69, so 6.69 and say equals, it is 240.84. So I'm going to round this off to 240. Let me close this, go here, for width it is 240 and for height it is 240. If you want, you can always make a change to these ones as well, just for good order's sake. Now what we have got here is an opaque 3D sphere. Now we need to make this into a translucent one. For that, let us go to Material and have this translucent option and choose this one called as Clear. Now we have got this beautiful mask that allows us to have a spinning globe effect. Now let us go to a new slide. Here we are going to paste the image of world map. When I go to pixabay.com and look for world map under vector graphics, I find this image. I can download the PNG by clicking on the free download option. I've already downloaded. So let me go to the downloads option here, right click and copy this and then go to my slide and I'm going to paste this. Now let me zoom out a little so it is much easier for us to work with this image. Let me close this one. Now let us move this image to one side so it is away from the slide area. Then let us apply custom animation by going to Animations and then let us use Fly Out Exit animation. Under Exit, choose Fly Out and this needs to fly out to left and this needs to happen with previous and we need to have a duration of 8 seconds. You can of course have it as slow as you want. I've chosen 8 seconds, which is reasonable. Then let us make a duplicate of this by pressing Ctrl D and place this right on top of the previous one. Just for good order's sake, I'm going to select both of them, go to Home, Arrange, Align Center, Arrange, Align Middle. So everything is stacked one on top of the other. Then let us select the second one. When I go to Animations and go to Animation Pane, you can see that the second one also has the same animation as the previous one, but this time I'm going to add a delay of 4 seconds and hit Enter. So we have two animation events. Both of them have 8 seconds duration, only that the second one has 4 seconds delay. Let us select both these animation events, click on the drop down menu, go to Effect Options, go to Timing and say this repeats until end of slide and you say OK. Now let us select both of these, Press Ctrl D to create a duplicate and place this to the other side of the slide. Now you can see that these two also have the same animation, but this time we are going to change the direction of the flyout animation. Let us have this selected and say to right. Then we are going to select the top image, go to picture format, go to transparency and have this transparency as 80%. Then let us send this to back. Pick the top one now, go to picture format and apply transparency to that one as well. So we have two of these images with 80% transparency flying out to the right, while these two are flying out to the left. Excellent. When I go to slideshow, what you see is this. Now we have got the base for our globe animation. Let us hit escape, go to the first slide, select both these elements, one which is a rectangle with a hole and the second one which is a translucent 3D sphere. Press Ctrl C to copy, go to the second slide and press Ctrl V to paste it. Now we have got the mask in the center and these animations are going to give the illusion of this beautiful spinning globe animation. Isn't this stunning? As you can see, with a bit of imagination and knowing how to work with PowerPoint the right way, you can create magic on your slides. To help you explore and learn some of the magic of custom animation in PowerPoint, we have put together a short playlist of videos which you can watch by clicking on the link here. All you need to do to improve your PowerPoint skills, especially the custom animation skills, is to click here and start watching the videos right now. Go ahead and do it.